Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to teach you how to crochet the Suzette Stitch. This stitch is really beginner friendly and super quick and simple to make, and it creates a beautiful texture and fabric. For this tutorial, I'm using some Lion Brand Heartland yarn. This is a worsted weight acrylic yarn. And I have an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is a furl streamlined wood hook. I'll link both the yarn and the hook in the description. I use this stitch for several patterns, my Ferguson collection. There's a hat, a scarf, and a blanket pattern that uses this stitch combo. I'll link those in the description as well. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to get started, we're going to be doing a chainless foundation single crochet stitch for our first row, for our foundation row. I have a tutorial for this on my YouTube channel that I will link in the description. But basically, you're going to chain two. You're going to work into that back bump of your first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have two loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through one, and then yarn over and pull through two. So I am going to do a total of 18 FSCs. If you were to be chaining, you would do 19 and work into the second chain from your hook so that you have 18 single crochets. Work back in a single crochet in each chain to create 18 single crochets as your foundation row. All right, I've completed 18 chainless foundation single crochet stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain one and turn, and this is the top of my stitches, my single crochets. I'm going to skip one and I'm going to work one single crochet, one double crochet in that next stitch. And I'm going to skip one and do one single, one double. And I'm going to repeat that all the way across. Skip one, one single, one double. Skip one, one single, one double. Skip one, one single, one double. And then you're going to work one single, one double into the last stitch. So we should still have 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you should still have 18 stitches. Now we're going to do row 2, chain 1, and turn our work. We ended on a double crochet here. We're going to skip that first stitch and we're going to work one single crochet, one double crochet into the next. And that is our repeat. So skip one, one single, one double. Skip one single, one double. Worked into the same stitch, which is the single crochet stitch from your previous row. And then one single, one double in the last stitch. All right, and the rest of your stitch is a repeat of row 2. So you're just going to continue that row till you get as long as you want your project to be. So chain 1, turn, skip the first, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. Skip 1, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few rows and make a little swatch so you can see what it looks like all finished. And it's a very easy beginner friendly stitch that creates a lot of beautiful texture. So I'm going to do that now. All right, I've completed a few more rows and this is what it looks like. It's just a really nice, simple texture. And this can be used in so many different types of projects. I have a blanket, a scarf, and a hat pattern that use this stitch combo. And I'll link all of those in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.